Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Psalm 150 verse 6. And one of my favorite quotes, health is a state of body, wellness is a state of being. Hey friends, welcome back. If you're like me, you want your home to be a haven, somewhere you can truly breathe easy. But indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Yikes. So, let me show you how to naturally detox your air at home, and it's so much easier than you think. First up, crack open those windows. Fresh air is the OG air purifier. Even just 10 minutes in the morning and evening can help flush out stale air and bring in that crisp, clean oxygen your body craves. Next, let's talk houseplants, your new green BFFs. Plants like spider plants, peace lilies and snake plants don't just look pretty, they actually help remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Place a few around your living room, bedroom, and even your bathroom for an instant fresh upgrade. Now, here's a simple trick. Baking soda. Sprinkle a little in a shallow bowl and place it in musty corners or inside your fridge and closets. It naturally absorbs odors, leaving your space smelling clean without chemicals. And don't forget about activated charcoal. You can grab little charcoal bags and pop them in shoes, gym bags, or anywhere things get stinky. They're reusable, super effective, and totally natural. Another tip? Go fragrance-free. I know scented candles and air fresheners smell amazing, but most are packed with synthetic chemicals that pollute your air. Instead, simmer some citrus peels and cinnamon sticks on your stove for a natural, cozy aroma. Vacuuming with a HEPA filter is also a game changer. It traps dust, pollen, and even pet dander, keeping allergens at bay. Try to vacuum twice a week, especially if you have pets or live in a busy area. And here's a bonus. Salt lamps. While the science is still out, many people swear by them for creating a calming vibe and reducing airborne irritants. Plus, they look gorgeous. So, to wrap up, open those windows, add a few plants, use baking soda and charcoal, skip synthetic scents, vacuum regularly, and maybe treat yourself to a salt lamp. Little changes, big difference. Remember, every breath is a gift. Let's keep it pure. Stay well, friends.